Assalamu alaikum trainee, welcome to Saqib Ahmed Tutorials Point. Today we learn about formatting text. In this topic we will learn about font, font size, font color, word art, bold, italic and underline. So let's start the video. Our first topic is font. What is font? Font is change the styles of your words. So how do I change the styles of my words? First of all, I select this line and go font box, and here is the font option. There are various type of options are there. You want to select anyone, you select that. I select this one. You see that this line is converted into font style. Next one, font size. How do I increase the size of fonts? There are two methods to increase the size of fonts. First one is short method and second one is long method. The short method is you press Ctrl plus close bracket. First of all, I select to my line and press Ctrl plus close bracket is increase the size of fonts. You see that. Here is increase the size of fonts. And how do I increase the size of fonts? I press Ctrl plus open bracket. You see that. Decrease the size of fonts. And the short method is you go font box and here is the increase and decrease font option. And the next one is font color. So how do I change the font color? First of all, I select to my line and go font box, and here is the font color option. I click this one and here is the various type of options are there. You want to select anyone, you select that. I select this one. You see that this is converted into font new color. So our second topic is word art. What is word art? Word art is used to highlight the heading and main topics of your chapters and your paragraphs. So how do I highlight to my word and my paragraph and my heading? I select to my this line and go insert option, and here is the text box, and here is the insert word art. I click it here. You see that there are various type of options are there. You want to insert anyone, you insert. I select this one. You see that this line is converted into word art. Our third topic is bold, underline and italic. How do I change my word in bold style? First of all, I select my line, and here is two methods to change into bold style. First one is short method and second one is third method. So short method is Ctrl plus B is change into bold style, and the long method is you go font box and here is the bold option. Next one, underline. How do I underline to my words and my line? First of all, I select to my line, and here is two method to change underline. First one, short method, Ctrl plus U. You see that this line is underlined, and the long method is go font box and here is the underline option. Last one, italic. How do I convert my line in italic style? First of all, I select to my line, and here is two method, short and long. First one, I press Ctrl plus I in my keyboard, and you see that this line is converted into italic style, and the long method is go font box and here is the italic option. So that all's for this video.